Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, rain should be here in just about an hour or so for the Dayton area, sooner in our counties to the west and southwest, and then spreading across the Miami Valley this evening. That rain could be heavy at times tonight and into early Thursday, and then we'll deal with some high winds on Thursday. Wind gusts could be 50 to 60 miles per hour, and we do dry out in the afternoon. We'll have some breaks in the clouds midday, but still a mostly cloudy day. And temperatures should make it to the low 60s before turning cooler later Thursday afternoon. And then cooling off a little bit more for Friday and Saturday. And right now it looks like dry weather as we get to the start of the weekend. 7 o'clock, 48 degrees. Look for mostly cloudy skies. Well, actually cloudy conditions, and already some rain will be in parts of our viewing area after 7 o'clock. Shortly thereafter, we'll see the rain roll into the Dayton area, and then the rain will be around through the evening, pulling those temperatures down into the mid-40s. We get some warmer air moving back in by 8 o'clock. We're up to 56 with 60 degrees at noon. We'll see those breaks in the clouds after some morning rain and gusty winds, and those strong winds will continue into the early evening. 52 at 5 o'clock, turning cooler later in the day. We do have a high wind warning now in effect for Eaton, Dayton, Xenia, northward across the rest of the Miami Valley and the Channel 2 viewing area. South-southwest winds tomorrow, 20 to 35 miles per hour, 50 to 60 miles per hour on the gusts with some damaging winds possible. Winds gusting 15 to 20 there in the early morning hours, but by 7 o'clock already some 30-plus mile-an-hour winds showing up, and then we could see in excess of 50 miles per hour late morning and into the afternoon. Also, there's a marginal risk of severe weather. That's about a 5% chance of some damaging winds here in the Miami Valley, about a 5% chance of that. And that covers most of Ohio, a good part of Indiana, into western Pennsylvania, up into southeastern parts of Michigan. Temperatures will drop down into the mid-40s from 9 to 11 o'clock, and then we'll start the warm-up with those readings heading into the 50s tomorrow morning, eventually highs reaching the upper 50s and low 60s across our area, 62 here in Dayton, but as I mentioned, falling off later in the afternoon. So things will cool off on Friday. Highs will only be in the upper 30s north to low 40s south. You can watch the clouds roll in this afternoon and evening on the Troy Stouter Center camera, sunset there. And now we're back to those cloudy skies, and here comes the rain already into southeastern Indiana, even beginning to push up into the southwest part of Butler County. This rain will surge up over the area tonight as a low-pressure center tracks out of the southern plain states, heads into the Great Lakes for tomorrow. Right now, 50 degrees with a relative humidity 48%. Not much wind right now, but that'll change tonight. Rain could be heavy at times, along with increasing winds, low 45. Tomorrow, morning showers, perhaps a thunderstorm, a very windy day and mild. We'll see those gusts 50 to 60 and a high temperature of 62. And then things calm down on Friday, cooler, 42 for the high and mostly cloudy. Looks like mostly sunny skies over the weekend, lows in the 20s, highs upper 30s Saturday, upper 40s Sunday. We're up near 50 on Monday, back into the mid 50s Tuesday, late Tuesday and Wednesday, rain chances rising again.